Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you are going to have a wonderful weekend. As you know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so my husband decided to spoil me by taking me for brow treatment and lash treatment, and we went to the Lash Bar and Beauty Studio. This is located at number 46 McCleary Avenue, Eastleigh North. That is Kuna Samura Michelle and Enterprise Road. We took a wrong turn. It's actually to your left, as you can see where this car park is, this car sales place is. It's the double story behind the car sales, so don't get lost, guys. I encourage you, treat your wives this season. Just do something special for them. So we got there, and as you can see, they are numbing my eyebrows so I don't feel any pain during the procedure. So this, I sat for an hour. Once they numb your eyebrows, you have to wait for an hour before they start with microblading. I chose the combination brows. I thought that was what suited me best. And so there I am waiting for my procedure. I also decided to have a lash tint and a lash lift. There is the man of the moment that spoiled his wife. So they have a lot of services there. They do massage, body scrub, waxing, pedicure, facials, eyelash extensions, different types of microblade. There's microblading for the eyebrows, ombre shading and combination brows, eyebrow lamentation, threading, manicures, nail extensions. There is just so much that you can choose from. So here I am doing my eyelash lift. My lashes go in the opposite direction, so I just wanted them to be sorted and dyed. So this is the procedure. And so after the eyelash tint, we then began on the brows. As you can see, my brows were very unruly. Usually I had problems doing makeup because one is higher than the other, and I have a scar on the right brow, which made it difficult for me. So that is why I chose to come for microblading, or is it combination brows. So here she is, just neatening up my brow before she starts on the procedure. It took about, it's 1 hour for the numbing cream to set in, and then about another hour for completion of the brows. Here she measures and she follows my natural brow to make sure that everything is in order, but she balanced them, which I'm so happy about. There we go. The brows are now marked, and she will start on the procedure of the combination brows. A combination brow means that at the end it's going to be shaded and in the front will be strokes. These brows last 2 years, so after I completed this session, in the next 6 weeks I will go back for a second appointment. Are you not tired of standing?
Let me show it to you.
In the cotton bud, then you apply Vaseline twice a day for 10 days. Avoid steaming, showering, swimming, sweat for the 10 days. It has to be as dry as possible for them to infuse. When it starts scabbing off just like a scar, don't scratch, don't peel off.
I just leave it.
You leave them, they form their own.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't freak out, that's the process.
Thank you so much.
Then after 10 days, you're good to go. And then you wait for 6 weeks to get it in touch.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so this is the end result. I'm really happy with my brows, and I'll be able to do a lot with them. I'm so excited. 2 years. So I encourage you to pay a visit to Lash Bar.